Hey everyone, we're on our next project this week. Well, for today, show you a little bit of what we got going on. Zach's over here starting to get me ready in a corner, prepping some windows. A little dark in here, so it might be a little tough to see at times, but basically what we got going on is small house. They gutted a lot of the walls, most of the walls anyways. These ones are a little tricky just because you see we got, that's pretty dark in this room. Let me go over here. Just basic 2x4 lumber. We're putting 3 inches in. Takes a little bit of finesse by the sprayer to keep it behind the stud face so Zach over there doesn't have to go through and scarf it all back. Come over here, more walls of spray. Got to protect all these windows. Spraying this roof slope with 4 inches of foam. Luckily they, you can see there they furred the joists or the rafters down, making it a little nicer on us. And here again, more roof slopes as well as the walls. Pretty tough to see over the back of this house. More roof slopes. The walls back here. So yeah, should be a good project for the day, and knock it out and go to the next one tomorrow. Forgot to show you as I was walking around checking out the job. Here's our moisture meter. Go around every job. Helps when you turn it on. And check all the moisture. There we go. Let's see if I can show you it. Got about 8.3% on this wall. Over, just check a couple spots here and there. That one's close. That's at 17.5%. Has to be less than 19%. We like to be less than 18 just to be super sure. This we got, it's tough to see, 8%. So we're all good there. Another thing I get to have some fun with. I'm not sure if I can turn my flashlight on while I'm recording. It doesn't look like it, but down there is a little hole. I get to crawl in there, and the only spot we can get to in that crawl space is this wall underneath here, the foundation wall, and all the way across here. It stops here because there's a another divider foundation all the way across here. Must be this section over here was an addition a long time ago. But yeah, so this is the project for today. I'll take some videos of me spraying, Zach scraping, and then at the end we'll do a walkthrough of the final product, get it all done today, and head to the next job tomorrow. with a space helmet and on with a traditional mask. One thing I wanted to say about this crawl space is on that first exterior wall right there that you can see, underneath there are 2 water lines running right next to that foundation wall. So getting that wall sprayed is huge to keep the pipes warm and keep them from freezing. But crawled in there. It was a little tighter than expected, but someone's got to get in there and do it. So got in there, got her done, and now you'll see the final walkthrough. Alright guys, I'm going to do a final walkthrough with you, show you what we did, how it came out. So here it is. Sorry about that. Alright, so 3 inches in the walls. Pretty close to flush fill, honestly. Zach did a nice job of shaving back the studs, like you saw in the video, in the time lapse. Over here, still 3 inches. Spin you around over here. We're doing up the final touches, getting all the tape off the boxes. Up there we got 4 inches. Luckily for us, they furred down the studs a little further than they needed to, so we had an extra inch or more. Right there, you're probably wondering, what the heck? Why didn't you spray all the way down? Well, it's because this roof over here dove up into there. It's a little messy over there because it's a little tight, but it dove all the way up into there. Got a vertical block back up in there a ways. So there's no point in wasting foam on this, as it's now interior to the thermal envelope. You saw me crawl down to there. I was able to get 3 inches on the foundation wall in this corner. Only place we could. They cut holes for us in here to look, but like over there, over here, because like I said before, there's that divider foundation wall. But this here is like 6 inches to a foot of room. Nothing we can do in there. Same with the underneath the floors over here and over here. But yeah, you got up in there. You gotta make sure you get all the way up in that corner up in there, and ensure that you get a nice overlap. I went a little overkill here. Probably could have stopped it more right there if I wanted to, but a little extra will never hurt. If you don't put enough in, it will, because they'll have ice. Same thing. This one's kind of goofy because I didn't have to do it here, because I was able to get all the way into that corner, which goes down into like this area with foam that way. But I wasn't able to get past this because that's a rafter that goes right there. So I wasn't able to get underneath to the back corner of that. So I had to drop it down and then wrap it back up to the roof to tie into the rest of the thermal envelope there. So, and like always, we got window and door foam and all these tiny gaps around the doors. Same with the windows, all these gaps. Got those filled right up. Underneath as well. That's the window and door foam. I tend to spin the phone a little too fast, but I'll get the hang of it. And back here, same thing. Dusty in here. Up there with the 4 inches, down on the walls of 3 inches. And this roof carries off way back into there over the bathroom, but they didn't gut the bathroom, so we had to, same general concept, had to put a vertical blocker here, spray all the way across, and then bring it down to the eaves. But yes, that was today's project. About a little more than a set of foam. It's 3 o'clock or so now. That's what we shoot for, is at least a set a day, so I'd say we did a decent job, and Zach's finishing up right now, so we're gonna get out of here. We'll see you on the next video.